Hello and welcome to this beginner's tutorial on using Java for controlling sensors and actuators on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi is a versatile and affordable microcomputer that can be used in a variety of projects. In this video, we'll explore how to use Java to control sensors and actuators on the Raspberry Pi. First, you need to set up your Raspberry Pi with Java. You can install the Java Development Kit by running the following command. Next, you will need to install the Perfor library. Perfor is a Java-based library used for interacting with Raspberry Pi's GPIO pins. You can install Perfor by executing the following command. Once you have these installed, you can start controlling sensors and actuators on your Raspberry Pi using Java. Here's an example program that turns on an LED. This program uses the Perfor library to provision a digital output pin and set it to high. It then waits for 5 seconds and sets the pin to low, turning off the LED. You can also use Java to read from sensors. Here's an example program that reads from a temperature sensor. This program uses the Perfor library to read from a Xitin20 temperature sensor and outputs the temperature in Celsius. And that's it. With these simple examples, you can start using Java to control sensors and actuators on your Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching and happy coding. Thanks for watching and happy coding.